As many IT organizations are embracing software-defined wide area network within their strategic initiatives, what we've seen is that the complexity that's hidden by being a cloud service offering needs a little bit of light shed on it in terms of seeing the performance of the tunnel overlay to the actual service provider infrastructure in play. As well as we've talked about earlier within LiveNX, LiveNX provides complete enterprise end-to-end visibility, and SD-WAN is one domain of the entire enterprise. But let's look into the topology visibility available within LiveNX and how it can give you complete view across your multi-domain, multi-vendor, multi-cloud environment. So starting with the LiveNX main menu here, we'll see that the SD-WAN topology view here is just a selection option. When we start to look at the SD-WAN, we're going to start with this view, and over on this little toggle display mode, we'll see that we can display both SD-WAN tunnels and or applications. In this case, we've started with SD-WAN tunnels to give you the quick visibility between these three locations. We also see from the icon there's actually a second one in here, and we can blow that up to include New York and Texas Edge. In terms of the overall view, we can start to look at what's actually happening in this topology. Now we're going to start to use this main menu bar, and what we see is that there's four different filtered options. There's diff-serve code point for quality of service, there's a service provider transport, there's virtual private networks, and WAN applications. In this particular case, when we look at WAN applications, we can see a number of them, including Citrix or SAP or voice over IP, and the directionality of the flows across the topology view as we look between here. So let's drill down in terms of Citrix just a little bit more closely. So as we select Citrix as the WAN application that we want to take a look at, we'll see that it's predominantly between the two sites being New York and Texas and London. There really isn't any going towards Australia at this point in time. So that gives us the directionality as well as the site-to-site pairs that Citrix is actually operating in. So what we want to be able to do is drill down a little bit more in terms of seeing what's going on. But before that, let's revert back to one of our other videos around reports, and we'll do a QoS Audit Report or diff-serve code point audit and see that Citrix is here in Texas, New York, and London, and is marked best effort from a service class perspective. So knowing that knowledge as far as best effort, we can go back to our view here, and we'll search now and filter based on diff-serve code point, and we'll see that best effort traffic also traverses between Texas, New York, and London. So we can see Citrix being in the best effort class throughout this view. In addition, what we want to be able to do is drill down, and let's take a look at what's happening in Melbourne. And this is a great site from another point of view. That is, so far we've talked about summary topology views, but now from a site connectivity perspective, we'll see that it's a single C-edge, Cisco C-edge as in SD-WAN view, giving you access to both business internet and public internet. As well, we can look at a view as the one device, 5 interfaces, 8 WAN applications, and so far it's in great status and there's no alerts available to you. So LiveNX delivers complete overlay and transport views for your SD-WAN domain. If you'd like further information, please visit www.liveaction.com. Thank you.